I'm originally from Bangalore, but my hometown is in northern region of Karnataka. It's called Sirsi. I'm a trained classical dancer. So I wanted to be a dance teacher when I was growing up. And then I moved on. And then I also was very, very fascinated about journalism because I love to speak and I love to be around people all the time. So that was something that I aspired for briefly. And then I moved more towards science because of my father and his background. I moved more towards that. And then, finally, right now I'm an engineer and I've finished my MBA. My passion and my career, I feel, has both been sort of intertwined because of these two parents, right? And their interest and what I've been exposed to. Because I've also worked in my father's R&D company during my college days. And I've also assisted my mom when she was a creative director for many events and television shows. In 2016, my husband and I, we were both going through a similar career journey, and we both thought that it was wise for us to now take a step back and invest our time in ourselves, in education. My husband is an engineer, my best friends are, and my family members, a lot of them are. So I was always surrounded by people of similar profession and similar background and similar ethnicity. Though I had traveled for business and for vacation, I really felt the need to explore, to put myself out of my comfort zone in a very, very diverse environment. So for me, diversity was the most important factor that I was looking for in my graduate program. And while I was doing my research, ESMT really stood out. Since ESMT was in Germany and also for many other factors, I chose to come to Germany for my MBA, and my husband chose to come for his Master of Science in Utrecht. Since both the countries are quite close by, we thought it was even practical to invest our time in. For me, the integration into the city was also very smooth because of ESMT, because as soon as I entered, I had 65 other people in my class who were also new to the city. So far, Berlin has been a great place for me. So today, I work at a company called Freshworks. It's a SaaS company. I work as a program manager. I'm an interface between the executive leaderships of Europe, from sales and marketing and business operations from global team and also the analytics team. I work with people from sales and marketing and product, and this is very, very fast paced, right? So to speak the jargon, to understand the thinking behind each of these functional teams, I feel ESMT MBA has really helped me bridge that gap, and it has really provided me the platform to be effective in these kind of roles. Now I really feel confident that I can change my industry no matter where I go. I can always apply my efficiency and my business operation mindset to any industry I move into. So I'm no longer restricted to a certain industry or a certain role. In many ways, I'm still the same person who loves to dance, who loves to sketch, and who spends most of the time over the weekend to sit by the kennel and then sketch away. I really feel thankful looking back that my journey has been so fulfilling because of ESMT MBA, that it has given me the confidence to be more of me, to be more confident, to be more relevant in different settings, and to be more impactful in my leadership skills, and simply be more myself.